Hi, I'm Aaron from Skovmand Woodworking. Follow along and I'll show you how to hang your floating vinyl shelf. Here's what you'll need. A shelf, a set of screws and anchors, and an alignment guide will be provided with each purchase. You also need a pencil, a level, and a Phillips head screwdriver or drill. First, you want to grab your shelf, your level, and a pencil. Figure out where you want to place the shelf and make sure that it's level. Then make a small mark at the very top and on the left side. Next, grab your alignment guide and align the left side with the left line and the top side with the top line. Once it's aligned, mark the left screw and the right screw. If you're drilling into a stud, you'll only need a screw. However, if you're drilling into drywall, you'll need to anchor and then screw. If you can, use a stud finder to figure out if you're drilling into a stud or into drywall. If you don't have access to a stud finder, that's alright. Simply use your screw as a guide. If you hit a stud like I did here, that's great, you're done. If you hit drywall like I did on this, simply take the screw out. Now you have a pre-drilled hole to set your anchor. Drill in your anchor and ensure that it is flush against the wall. Then you can drill the screw into the anchor. Finally, grab your shelf and slide it on. If you notice you have a little wobble, your screws are too loose. Simply take the shelf off and tighten the screws a little. The shelf is done and you're ready to display your vinyls. Thanks again for your purchase from Skovmand Woodworking.